Get to see the Icicle works back in the day?
Yeah.
This gentleman here? Just you, yeah. Feels about right. Well, this is the most people I've ever played to in Saratoga. Anyway, when we came over, we only had 42 minutes worth of material. And here we are 40 years later, and we've still only got 42 minutes worth of material. We won't be playing all 42 minutes tonight because there's a lot of tremendous artists for you to see. But we used to drag the songs out so we could play for about an hour. And this next motherfucker got dragged. It's a song that's been very kind to me. It's enabled me to come back and see all you lovely people in America. We love it over here. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting this music. And it was originally called Birds Fly Whisper to a Scream. In the United States of America, turn left to Greenland. We call it Whisper to a Scream, Birds Fly. Today, if you used to go to see the Icicle Road store, I can see you know what, you look too young. So it's great to see a new generation of people enjoying this music. Please, when you get home, can you thank your elder siblings and your parents for passing on my records to you so you can enjoy them. Okay, everybody, it is Saturday night. Saturday night, baby! I just got paid! And in the words of the late, great Mr. Ozzy Osbourne, I want you to go fucking crazy! Okay, here we go. Sounds so good. Birds fly. Hey. A whisper to a scream. Beautiful, louder, please. Whisper to scream, sing it, Saratoga. A whisper to scream. So very much.